Today I'm going to show you how to view your Tesla dashcam footage so you can view any clips you need, guys. So, first things first, guys, I want you to ensure you have a USB drive. First things first, okay? Make sure you have a properly formatted USB drive inserted into your Tesla. This is where your dashcam footage is saved, guys. So, next, guys, what I need you to do is activate dashcam recording already. Enable the dashcam by tapping the dashcam icon on your touchscreen, and then a red dot will indicate that it is recording. Now, to access the footage, when you want to view the dashcam footage, you'll need to remove the USB drive and plug it into your computer. Okay, plug it into your computer, connect the USB drive into your computer, and you will find a folder named a Tesla Cam, guys. Open this folder to see subfolders for dashcam and sentry mode footage. Okay, then what I want you to do, guys, is if you want to view your clips inside the folders, you'll see the video files labeled with timestamps. You can play these clips using any media player that supports MP4 format to review the footage you use and you need. So you can just use something like VLC media player. And if you don't want some clips, you can delete those dashcam clips, guys. You can delete them directly from a USB drive to free up future space for recordings, or you can do that directly through your touchscreen on your Tesla. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your writing further, and see you